As the Topcon RL-H4C is a fully automatic self-leveling instrument that does all the hard work for you, you can choose either a dome top or flat top tripod. Once your tripod is set up, place the laser on top and firmly screw the tripod yoke bolt into the bottom of the laser to secure it. Turn the Topcon RL-H4C on by pressing the green button once. Allow a moment for the self-leveling mode to activate. The laser will begin to flash fast, indicating the laser is ready for coarse leveling. The laser will then flash slower to indicate the laser is ready for fine leveling. The RL-H4C will then emit a red rotating beam. You will not be able to see the beam in daylight. You need a laser receiver to detect it. If the RL-H4C is out of its ±5 degree self-leveling range, all LED lights will flash consecutively to indicate the laser cannot self-level. Simply readjust the laser on the tripod. After 1 minute of rotating, Topcon's Height Alert feature is activated. This prevents the operator from working at the wrong level if the RL-H4C is disturbed. If this happens, 3 LED lights will flash simultaneously, and the laser beam's rotation speed reduces to provide two-way communication back to the laser receiver. Once the height alert has been triggered, the laser will not self-level and it will need to be reset. It is important to note that height alert does not work in manual mode. In order to guarantee the accuracy of your work, it is vital to have the calibration of your laser checked every 6 months, as per the Australian standards. Only Position Partners service centres are Topcon authorised, with locations in every state and territory throughout Australia. For more great tips on how to get the most from